Morning. It's day 2. Mr. Disney, say good morning.
Morning.
Morning, says Mr. Disney. So today it's day 2 and we're in EPCOT. Now after we left you last night, we just went and sat by the pool, chilled out, bumped into our friends from Mickey from the UK, and then there was a mighty big thunderstorm, and I mean massive. I've never heard thunder go boom like that before. And rain, well, it was almost as if it was foggy, it was that raining that much, but it was definitely a storm and a half. But anyway, that was last night. Today we are in EPCOT. We've got brunch booked with princesses at a circus hall. Got a couple of lightning rounds. We're just going for a sort of a general chill day. Anyway, welcome to EPCOT. Oh, it's also for food and wine season, so we might have a nibble or two around the world as well at some point. Food, yes, it's food and wine season. One thing about the storm though, it has actually reduced the temperature a little bit, so it isn't as muggy as it was yesterday. Anyway, let's go exploring. First attraction of the day, we're going to go and see Shrunken Tomato Rat. I do like that ride, and yes, I do have Mickey Mouse sunglasses on. There's a long story behind these. Basically, my normal glasses I've managed to misplace, so I bought these instead. But yeah, I do like Ratatouille the ride. In America they're still doing it in the 3D version, which is quite good fun. And one thing you do have, I don't know if you can see, up there, just about there, you can see a bunny. Now we're just going to wander around the world, head towards Norway, because we've got breakfast with princesses. And just going to have a chilled day. Something rather pretty in the German pavilion with a nice price thing, but it's Spaceship Earth, and it's got over 122,000 crystals. It's beautiful. Now at the moment EPCOT is quite quiet because it's only been open for a little while, and World Showcase doesn't really open properly until about 11 AM. But we've had a little gentle stroll around, looking at a couple of the pavilions, taking a few pickies, looking at what's to offer in the Food and Wine Festival booth, because we are here for Food and Wine Festival as well, which we no doubt we'll be exploring later. And let's go chill out ahead of our booking for our breakfast with princesses. So we're having breakfast, or should I say brunch, in Akasa's hall, which is a family style all-you-can-eat meal. I'm being glared at. For princesses. Can you stop putting faces? It's pretty faces me. So we've just come in and been seated in our seats. We've been given a card with all princess names on. So
what else would we be seated in? Of course we come in here on seats.
okay, you're being cheeky. But anyway, we're going to see what we can do. Can you behave?
Just never assume, dear.
I watched your video from yesterday.
And?
You behave. Just about.
Can I point out something?
What? It's recording. I know it's recording.
How do you know it's recording?
Because I can see the recording in the corner.
How do you know it's recording now? So you're, oh, I saw the light flash. It was meaningless, because you didn't see the light flash. Did you?
No, I didn't.
No, I'm a upon a time there was a great Viking thing and lots of Vikings did things. But yeah, no, my verdict's pretty good. Caz gets to see 5 princesses and she loves seeing her princesses, and they're quite hot. Food was pretty good. It's virtually all you can eat, so what can I say? The brown cheese, love it. Especially when you mix it with a compote and then have waffles on top. Oh, gorgeous. But yeah, anyway, really good. I think that's what she wanted me to say. Anyway, bye.
Okay, where are we going? Are we going to see him?
Maybe.
Time to go frozen ever after. Now, for some reason, somebody likes this ride. I don't know why. Actually, no, I think I know why. Maybe because of a certain snowman.
I'm saying nothing.
That somebody likes. But this is going to be a similar version to what's coming to Disneyland Paris. So we're going to give them a ride and see you in a while. Where are we going?
I don't know.
Are we going to see him?
Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, I know you do. I'll see you in that winter show in summer snow for spending we're going up to Elsie's ice house with you and you, all of you. See you there. On a day very much like today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love and thought of frozen heart.
We are your best friend.
Ruby.
Hey, we're going up to the ice palace.
I know that you said before.
First time in forever. I'm so glad you came along. For the first time in forever. Let's just call it delight. 'Cause for the first time in forever, you're here.
For my sister's magic night.
Are you ready to see Elsa?
They were born ready.
Well, this should be interesting. We've just walked from Frozen to the Skyliner because there's a storm coming in. Big shout out to Alexis, who was on the merch cart by the UK Pavilion, for letting me grab my purchases. We've now just got onto the Skyliner, and apparently there's a lightning storm coming.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at EPCOT International Gateway. We're flying to
We're in a
Disney
metal
Riviera
box,
Resort
hanging
with
from
a
a metal
final
wire
stop at Disney's
in a lightning
Caribbean Beach
storm.
Resort.
This is going to be fun.
We hope to
It's
enjoy
gonna
your
be
visit to
interesting.
EPCOT and World Showcase.
Hopefully
Would
we
you
will
like
get
to
back
say
to
hello
Riviera
to
before it
everybody
gets
today?
too bad. We shall see.
6.5 hours later.